In Texas, property taxes can be a little high. So what you want to do and help you save money is get a homestead exemption on your property. I will go over what exactly a homestead exemption is, how can it save you money, and what else does it protect you from. What is homestead exemption? So definition, homestead exemption removes part of your property's total value from taxation, therefore lowering your property tax. So to be clear, it's actually $25,000 that's non-taxable on your property. So example, if you have a $300,000 house, remove $25,000 from that, that's $275,000 that will be taxable. In turns, lowers your property tax. What qualifies as a homestead? A homestead can be a separate structure, condominium, or manufactured home located on owned or leased land, as long as the individual living there owns it. It can be up to 20 acres if the land is owned by a homeowner and used for residential use of the homestead. In short terms, the homeowner needs to own the homestead and it needs to be their primary residence to qualify. In addition to that $25,000 homestead exemption that everyone could get if you own the home and primary residence, for people who are 65 or older or disabled, qualify for another homestead exemption, which takes off $10,000 in addition to the $25,000 off the school taxes for the home. Being old has its perks too. On side of saving you money on property taxes, homestead exemption actually helps protect you, prevents creditors from selling your house to pay off your debt. So very good. Beware. This does not protect you from your mortgage company or paying your mortgage. You need to do that or your house will be banked on and foreclosed on. So there are 9 exemptions, however, to the homestead exemption if the creditor falls in one of these areas. Purchase money liens, which is a lien that secures the purchase price of the property. Ad valorem taxes, mechanics and material man liens, which are liens for improvement on the homestead. The well partition lien. So an example of this is there's an unequal division of the homestead in a divorce. Refinancing, home equity loans, reverse mortgages, manufactured home refinancing, and a pre-existing lien, which is any lien that was on the property before it became an homestead. We'll be doing another video on property taxes and breaking them down and also showing you how you could fight the county to lower your perceived value of your house, so to lower your property tax. So be on the lookout for that. So this is important. So when should you apply for homestead exemption? It only happens one time each year, and that's between January 1st and April 30th. If you miss that date, you would have to wait till next year, or if you just bought a home and you closed on it after April 30th, unfortunately, you would have to wait a whole year and reapply in January 1st. If you would like more information about homestead exemption in Texas, just leave a comment, message me, or call me, and I'll be happy to answer that. Also, if you want to know more information about North Texas real estate and get some tips on buying and selling a home, just hit that subscribe button.